Kia ora, welcome back to the Queenstown Wānaka Dirt Report. My name is Nick Hine, and this week we have rain on the forecast. That's right, the trails are going to be getting nice and tacky, no more dust, no more dryness. It's good times coming up this weekend. Today we're at Coronet Peak, which is only 20 minutes from downtown Queenstown, and we've linked up with one half of the Meek boys, Rory Meek. He's going to tell us a little bit about how the conditions were today.
Been riding up at Coronet Peak. It's been loads of fun while I've been doing the Coronet downhill trail. And with this upcoming rain, it will make the next few days riding really good and it'll make the track tacky as.
And they're doing a bit of trail maintenance up here. They've got Upperrood Rock is going to be cranking on Thursday, and they're going to be linking Upperrood Rock and regular Rood Rock trails, as well as having sunset sessions on Thursday. To Queenstown Bike Park, well, they have Gondola Access back up and running for 2022, and they've got some exciting events coming up like the Vertigo DH series kicking off this Sunday, January the 30th, as well as the popular McGazza Memorial Ride and Mega Train. Watch out for those ones because those are part of the Queenstown Bike Festival that starts Friday, February 4th and goes until Saturday, February 12th. 15 events across 9 days. So for more, check queenstownbikefestival.co.nz. To bike Glendo, well, they've had great conditions over the holiday period. They've got a new blue flow trail up that's got some big berms and some jumps. Also, park hours are now 8 until 8, and you can get a single drop off to the summit in the Can-Am. Also, just want to say that they've got everything running up there. There's no residual damage from the fires, and a huge shout out to the Wānaka crew who got up there and sorted out the fires quickly, so kudos. To Katarina, well, they've had a great Christmas and New Year's period. The Peak to Pub event was a hit. Also, the Dirt Star downhill this past weekend looked like it was really fun as well. And don't forget that coming up, they've got Fast Fridays. It's a social racing competition, and that kicks off on February 4th. To our local club trail updates now, well, Bike Wānaka are saying that they're going to be really thankful for this rain coming over the next few days. Should make for great hero dirt conditions over Thursday, Friday and into the weekend as well. To Queenstown Mountain Bike Club, well, McNearly Gnarly is getting a wee refresh that it should be back and running in 2 weeks' time. Also, 7 Mile is getting a once over, so a couple of closures to look out for there on the Grin and Hollow line and the Fruity Trail. Also, the Gorge Road progression line is now open, so go check that one out. To the weather forecast now, with the rain coming on Tuesday and Wednesday following into Thursday morning, we've got cooler temperatures on Thursday, but that should make the trails really nice. We've got beautiful sunny skies on Friday, Saturday and Sunday by the looks, which should make for some exceptional riding this weekend. So that's us for another week. We'll see you again next Wednesday for more dirt, bike and event updates. Until then, I've been Nick Hine signing off from Coronet Peak for Dirt Report.